At first glance, the Beelink GTR9 Pro looks strikingly familiar. Almost like something you might mistake for Apple's Mac Studio. But don't be fooled by its minimalist exterior. Because inside this compact machine lies a radically different story, with a price that slips just under $2,000 during its pre-order phase. This mini PC is proving to be one of the most compelling options in the high-performance desktop segment. Balancing sleek design with serious processing power, Beelink has chosen the GTR9 Pro as one of the first platforms to debut AMD's latest Ryzen AI Max 395 processor. Part of the new Strix Halo lineup, built on the Zen 5 process, it carries an impressive 16 cores and 32 threads. But the real surprise is its integrated XDNA 2 NPU, capable of delivering up to 126 trillion operations per second. This NPU isn't just a marketing number. According to Beelink, it even outperforms NVIDIA's RTX 4090 in specific AI workloads, particularly in language model simulations running on Windows 11's LM Studio. This means that, in the era where artificial intelligence is becoming a core part of everyday computing, the GTR9 Pro isn't just keeping up, it's stepping out ahead. On the graphics front, the system relies on an integrated Radeon 8006 OS GPU with 40 RDNA 3.5 compute units. While integrated graphics often conjure images of compromise, this one is a different beast, with performance comparable to an RTX 4070 laptop. It opens the door to smooth gameplay in modern AAA titles and seamless editing for high-resolution video projects. For creative professionals and gamers alike, the GTR9 Pro proves that compact does not mean underpowered. Managing this much power in such a small enclosure demands thoughtful engineering, and Beelink has delivered with its MSC 2.0 cooling system. A large vapor chamber, dual turbine fans, and extended air vents keep thermals in check, allowing the machine to sustain a 140-watt TDP without choking on heat. Even under heavy load, noise levels remain surprisingly low at just 32 decibels. Quieter than a typical office environment. Wrapped in a solid block of aluminum, the chassis feels both sturdy and premium, and with the 230-watt power supply built directly into the body, it avoids the clunky external adapters that often plague mini PCs. Performance is further enhanced by memory and storage that would make even full-sized desktops envious. The GTR9 Pro comes preloaded with 128 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, running at a blistering 8,000 megatransfers per second. For specialized workloads, up to 96 GB can be allocated as VRAM on Windows, and up to 110 GB on Linux, making it ideal for AI model training, 3D rendering, or heavy digital simulations. Storage begins with a fast 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and users can expand up to 8 TB thanks to 2 additional M.2 slots, ensuring there's no shortage of space for massive projects or game libraries. Connectivity is another highlight, bringing the latest standards into play. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 provide next-generation wireless support, while two 10-gigabit LAN ports handle wired networking with ease. Multiple USB 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, and a high-speed USB-C connection make this tiny PC capable of driving up to 4 8K displays simultaneously, a feat that turns the GTR9 Pro into a true multitasking powerhouse. Beyond raw hardware, Beelink has thought about everyday usability. A built-in microphone with AI noise filtering, DSP-enhanced speakers, and a fingerprint sensor supporting Windows Hello create an experience that is not only powerful but also polished. Whether it's being used as a workstation, a gaming rig, or a creative studio, the GTR9 Pro feels like a complete package. Though real-world reviews are still emerging, The international tech community has already praised the GTR 9 Pro for its meticulous construction and the refinement of its design. From the precision machined aluminum body to the careful quality control checks, it reflects Beelink's ambition to be seen not as a budget alternative, but as a serious competitor in the premium desktop space. For now, the pre-order campaign continues, with no official end date announced. But what is clear is that at under $2,000, the Beelink GTR 9 Pro offers a level of performance and versatility that rivals much larger, far more expensive machines. In a market where size often dictates capability, this compact powerhouse redefines expectations, proving that the future of high-performance PCs may indeed be small,